Hey guys, what is up? Amanda from Posh Home over here, and we are at Jalan Bingka, another landed property, to show you guys behind the scenes of the renovation works to be done over here. In this episode, we're going to talk about expanding your car porch area, your existing car porch area. Now in this particular project, up in the front, we want to do some landscaping, which is why we are tearing down the tiles to create a space for the green works. And then on the left side over here, used to be a platform of a small garden with a mini pond that we are removing entirely. So we are leveling the platform to create more space for the owners to utilize. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking to do something similar with your home, feel free to contact us at Posh Home and we will attend to you shortly. Until then, we'll see you the next time. Bye!